fine.
Okay, do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Okay, so what's your advice to the people who smoke out there?
Well, I used to smoke, but now I don't. Obviously for health reasons, smoking is not a healthy issue or matter. And that I advise people if they do smoke to quit smoking. The damages that are happening, you will not want to smoke again. But obviously it is addictive, and there are many people that need to go to clinics and need to have encouragement and back up and help them with the addiction. I believe that if everyone has the right support, I think they can quit.
But the most irritating thing is the stink.
Okay, so let's think. Let's think, I don't even know it.
No, maybe they don't. It's just a normal thing to them. That's why I say the pack. If you look at the pack of the cigarette, they say smokers are liable to
They're young.
So my advice is they should just quit.
Okay.
But there's no way they will quit because the tobacco company to make money out of it.
Smoking can kill, no smoking.
So I advise that if you are smoking, try your possible best to see how to stop smoking because it's not good.
Sigara içmek sağlığa zararlıdır. Ben içmiyorum ve senden daha sağlıklı.
The doctor says smoking is so I believe it's not good. Who smokes? But to me, I believe it's not good. That's why I'm not.
No smoking. Because it's written boldly at the packet.